Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best vacuum cleaners, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best vacuum cleaner options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Stick around to discover which vacuum cleaner is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first one on our list is Dyson Gen5 Detect. The Dyson Gen5 Detect is a notable addition to Dyson's lineup of cordless vacuum cleaners. It introduces several improvements over its predecessors, but it comes at a price that may not be suitable for everyone. One of the most significant changes in the Gen5 Detect is the elimination of the finger cramping trigger, replacing it with a convenient continuous power button. This modification not only enhances user comfort, but also provides a more seamless cleaning experience. It's a welcome change for anyone who has struggled with prolonged vacuuming sessions. The vacuum's performance is truly outstanding. With a maximum suction power of up to 262 air watts, it outperforms its predecessors, making it highly effective at picking up dust, pet hair, and debris from various surfaces, including hard floors, carpets, and upholstery. The inclusion of a HEPA filter ensures that it captures and traps particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. Battery life is another area where the Gen5 Detect shines. With up to 70 minutes of runtime on a single charge, it offers a generous cleaning time before needing to recharge. The vacuum also features an intuitive LCD interface that displays the cleaning mode, remaining battery life, and a real-time particle graph. The Gen5 Detect comes with a range of attachments, including a digital motor bar cleaner head, a fluffy optic cleaner head with a green light to reveal hidden dust on hard floors, a hair screw tool for pet owners, a combination tool for versatile cleaning, and a wand with a built-in dusting and crevice tool. However, it's essential to note that the Gen5 Detect is on the heavier side, weighing nearly 8 pounds. This may require some effort during extended cleaning sessions, but for those looking for a powerful cordless vacuum, the weight is a trade-off for the impressive performance. Next up, we have the Shark IZ862H. This vacuum cleaner is a remarkable addition to Shark's cordless vacuum lineup, designed to tackle the most common obstacles in your cleaning routine. With its innovative features, it stands out as an impressive cleaning companion. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its CleanSense IQ technology. This technology equips the Shark Stratos with the ability to detect the amount of dirt on your floor and automatically adjust its suction power accordingly. This ensures a thorough cleaning even when dirt is not visible to the naked eye. The vacuum's multi-flex wand is another game changer. It allows you to effortlessly vacuum under furniture without needing to bend down or move heavy items. This flexibility is a time saver and a back saver, making it easier to clean those hard-to-reach areas. In terms of performance, the Shark Stratos doesn't disappoint. With powerful suction on various surfaces, including carpets, hard floors, and furniture, it handles different cleaning tasks with ease. Its ability to pick up hair, even from upholstery, is particularly impressive. The vacuum's design is both practical and user-friendly. Its lightweight build, flexible wand, and swiveling floor head make it easy to navigate around your home. The CleanSense IQ indicator, odor neutralizer technology, and LED headlights are thoughtful additions that enhance the cleaning experience. When it comes to battery life, the Shark Stratos offers up to 60 minutes of runtime in Eco mode. The CleanSense IQ mode, while ensuring efficient cleaning, may affect battery life depending on the cleaning needs. Charging the battery is straightforward, and it usually lasts for multiple cleaning sessions in an average-sized home. The Shark Stratos offers efficient cleaning but lacks a self-emptying feature and doesn't include mopping capabilities. Overall, it's a smart investment for those prioritizing effective and easy cleaning. The Bissell CleanView vacuum cleaner is on our list as well. This is a game changer for pet owners and anyone seeking an efficient cleaning solution for their home. With its impressive performance, user-friendly features, and pet-specific design, this vacuum stands out as a top choice for keeping your living space clean and pet hair-free. One of the most remarkable features of the Bissell CleanView is its exceptional suction power. In terms of performance, this vacuum performed admirably, particularly on high-pile carpets and grouted floors, effortlessly picking up all kinds of debris, including stubborn pet hair. Its suctioning power is a true game-changer, making it a reliable choice for pet owners dealing with constant shedding. The vacuum's maneuverability is another strong point. With a swivel design and adjustable settings, it navigates around furniture and tight spaces with ease, ensuring no corner is left uncleaned. The vacuum also comes with a range of attachments, including a combination crevice tool, dusting brush, and pet turbo eraser tool, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks in your home. One standout feature is the unique cord storage design. With a simple step on a button, the 27-feet cord neatly winds up inside the vacuum, eliminating the hassle of dealing with tangled cords. Additionally, the easy release button allows for a clean and hygienic emptying process. The Bissell CleanView may not be as effective on hardwood floors, as it tends to push debris around rather than suctioning it up. However, it doesn't leave any scratches, ensuring your floors remain in good condition. The vacuum's 18.91-pound weight might require a bit more effort when pushing it back and forth, but it remains manageable and doesn't feel overly heavy. Overall, the the Bissell CleanView vacuum excels in pet hair removal on carpeted and grouted floors, but falls short on hardwood. It's a valuable choice for pet owners seeking a cleaner, healthier home. Next up, we have the Dyson V15 Detect. The V15 Detect is a true standout in the world of vacuum cleaners, offering a remarkable cleaning experience that justifies its price tag. First and foremost, the Dyson V15 Detect impresses with its consistent performance on various surfaces. Equipped with two distinct cleaning heads, one for hard surfaces and another with a hair detangling tool for rugs and carpets, it effortlessly tackles all types of debris. From pet hair to fine dust, it leaves no mess behind. Unlike some other models that require multiple passes, the V15 Detect efficiently cleans with just one or two swipes, making your cleaning tasks faster and more efficient. One standout feature is the Detect technology, which projects a green laser light to reveal hidden dust and particles on hard floors. This innovative feature allows you to spot and clean even the tiniest debris, ensuring a truly thorough clean. The vacuum's swivel capability and lightweight make it easy to maneuver under furniture and into corners, making the cleaning process a breeze. In addition to its impressive performance, the Dyson V15 Detect boasts intelligent battery management. It adjusts its suction power according to the size of particles it detects, ensuring longer battery life. Moreover, this vacuum provides exceptional versatility by seamlessly converting into a handheld vacuum for tackling more intricate cleaning tasks. Its array of accessories, such as the pet hair remover, crevice tool, combination attachments, mini soft dusting brush, and tough dirt brush, significantly enhance its adaptability to cater to a diverse spectrum of cleaning requirements. In summary, the Dyson V15 Detect is a top-tier cordless vacuum that excels in performance, convenience, and innovation. It's an excellent choice for homes with different floor types and pet owners, delivering consistent, exceptional results. The last one on our list is Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Vacuum Cleaner. This is an exceptional solution for pet owners seeking an efficient and budget-friendly cleaning tool. This vacuum's standout feature is its ability to tackle pet hair with ease. In terms of performance, it effortlessly sucked up both natural and artificial pet hair from various surfaces, including carpet, hardwood floors, and even shag carpet. What sets it apart is the option to switch between modes for bare floors and deep carpet cleaning, allowing you to tailor the suction power to your specific needs. The Shark NV352's design is equally praiseworthy. Its lift-away feature allows the vacuum to transform into a portable and lightweight pod, which is perfect for accessing tight spaces, stairs, or small rooms. The extendable arm and convenient attachments, such as the upholstery tool and crevice tool, further enhance its versatility. The Shark NV352 is both practical and budget-friendly, offering a cost-effective alternative in the pet hair vacuum market without sacrificing performance. Additionally, this vacuum addresses the needs of pet owners with allergies, thanks to its HEPA filter and sealed airway, effectively trapping microscopic allergens and dander. In conclusion, the Shark NV352 offers an affordable and reliable solution for pet owners dealing with pet hair challenges. Its strong suction, user-friendly design, and budget-friendly price make it an excellent choice. You got it. So that's it for the top vacuum cleaners in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.